So the types of services my IT manager deliver are ranging from sort of consultancy and advisory services through to sort of product procurement and supply, through to managing and supporting our customers' environments. Yeah, so we've got 8 staff spread over 3 locations. We've been around for about 8 years in our sort of current form, servicing all manner of businesses here in Christchurch and down Central Otago. We, many years back now, decided that we really wanted to move forward from the old break-fix approach, so we were really looking for an RMM tool that gave us the ability to proactively manage our clients. SolarWinds RMM made it easy for us to onboard clients. It also made it easy for us to onboard our technicians and upskill them in the product. And because of the scalable billing model, we were able to sort of slowly grow our RMM business without having a whole lot of upfront cost and training complexity with our team. SolarWinds remote monitoring management was easy to deploy. It was because it was cloud-based, very low sort of cost. We didn't need any on-premise equipment to get it up and running, unlike a lot of the other solutions that were available at the time. So it meant that we could get it up and running, get our staff trained up, and start onboarding customers straight away. So probably the biggest threat in New Zealand at the moment, as it is worldwide, is the crypto or ransomware style viruses that are impacting on a lot of businesses worldwide. We've bolstered our layered security using features like web protection, patch management, obviously the standard AV, and SolarWinds backup to ensure that our clients have a multi-layered approach to their security, not just relying on the sort of traditional forms of antivirus and things that clients would have previously sort of relied on. Prior to SolarWinds RMM, we used a myriad of different solutions to provide our services to our clients. It meant that we had to try and keep everything together, and that was always difficult to do. And also training and things for our internal technicians was very, very difficult. So once we moved to SolarWinds RMM, we were able to sort of consolidate that into a single pane of glass. We removed the need for our sort of annual antivirus renewals and all of the different licenses and components required to keep all these other tools in operation. So it really just simplified our whole operation and just really consolidated that down into one technology or one solution to provide all those different services. Another process that really enhanced for us was the ability for us to be proactive with our clients and actually go to them and notify them of problems before they even knew about them themselves in a lot of cases, rather than sort of waiting for them to call us with a reactive issue that we had to then deal with.
Our relationship with my IT manager is very important because they have helped us with our day-to-day issues that arise with anything relating to IT, and also for future-proofing hardware and software. Asmus is the largest privately owned company in New Zealand, but we have 40 employees down here on the South Island between Nelson and Dunedin. We supply mainly the agriculture and industrial sectors. If we can't get on with our day-to-day business, then we can't do things like our quotes, our orders, our purchasing, administration and banking, and that would be a huge hindrance to not be able to do any of those things. It's paramount that we can keep those things running day to day.
One of the key benefits that we find with SolarWinds RMM is the ability to recover our clients quickly in the event of the latest crypto infections. We're able to recover their data back to their machines in a matter of minutes rather than hours or days as it previously took, so we can get them back up and running straight away with minimal impact to their business. Not only does it allow us to recover quickly in the event that we do get a client infected with a crypto, but it also allows us to put in place a layered security approach to ensure that they've got the maximum protection to stop them getting infected in the first place.
My IT manager are always readily available to help us whenever we call. They can remote in and help us because we are not located in Christchurch. We're 25 k's down the road, and they've been able to resolve all of our issues whenever they've come up.
3 words that I'd use to describe SolarWinds RMM would be proactive, scalable and profitable. Very much allows us to be on the front foot rather than the back foot while dealing with our clients. It also helps us grow with our clients and with our client base. SolarWinds RMM really helps us save time and increase our productivity across our service team by sort of automating a lot of those background tasks that were previously done by humans, taking up some of their valuable time. So instead now our team are free to have those higher level conversations with our clients, making us more productive and ultimately more profitable.